Today is March 27th, 2014. Today we received our order of ducklings, 29 in all. The golden ones, jumbo Pekin. We got 12 of those. I only ordered 10. We got all of the ducks actually from purelypoultry.com. And then the other ones are Welsh Harlequin. We got 17 of them. We only ordered 14, so we got 3 extra there. It's nice. Get extras. It's a good 85 degrees in there for them. They're a couple days old. So, 29 of them. As they get older, we're going to put the golden ones, and there's less of them, put them right there. I got the lamp and everything already going for them. Got the oil heater, the food over there, got everything. Got the heat lamps going. We also ordered 35 baby chicks from purelypoultry.com. They get here April 16th. Oh, that's all.